Our correspondent Aditya Anantarayanan spoke with Prashant Bhushan, another noted lawyer who's been campaigning against black money. Here's what he said about today's news.
Have decided to share the information of all those Indians who have untaxed money stashed in Swiss accounts. To speak more on this, we have senior Aam Aadmi Party leader and Supreme Court lawyer Mr. Prashant Bhushan with us. Sir, black money, firstly, the NDA government is the only government right now which has formed an SIT on black money, and now the help that is coming in from the Swiss authorities, which we didn't see in the past. You have been fighting for getting back the black money. What is your stand on this sudden and new change?
Well, the SIT was formed on the orders of the Supreme Court, and after the dismissal of the review petitions, the government had no option but to form this SIT. Government need not take credit for this SIT. The Supreme Court should take credit for this SIT. Secondly, any development, I am not sure what the Swiss government has said about sharing information about Indians holding accounts in Switzerland. But if the Swiss government is willing to share any information about accounts held by Indians there, that's a very welcome step. But if one is serious, if the government is serious about stopping this flow of illicit money, it first needs to stop those instruments which have been legalized in India, which allow this illicit money to be anonymously invested in India, such as participatory notes, such as investments by companies registered in tax havens. So these companies are not obliged to disclose who the shareholders are or who the owners of their funds are. Similarly, in participatory notes, you are not obliged to disclose who the holders of these P notes are. So therefore, you have to first stop those instruments which are allowing and legalizing the flow of illicit money in India.
But sir, also the fact that the Swiss authorities are saying that they are more than happy to work with the new NDA regime which has come into power. Don't you think somewhere it is the NDA government probably which is now the efforts that are being made by them, probably because of that the Swiss authorities also are now ready to pitch in?
As I said, if the seriousness of this NDA government is to be seen, let them first disclose what have they done about what the Indian High Commission in Singapore said about the 6,500 crores invested in India or routed to India through this company called Biometrics, which was a post-box company, which had no assets, no income, but had suddenly found 6,500 crores to invest in 4 Mukesh Ambani companies.